Look what I did all by myself. Want to see how I did it? You're about to. So keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a couple days since I've recorded a video, an actual video. I have been recording shorts, but this is my first long form content in a couple of days. And I really want to do my lashes. I have not been able to wear lashes like I want to in a long time because I had to start wearing glasses full time. And what is that? And yeah, no, I need my lashes back. Like, I feel like lashes do so much. Like, just sometimes you don't even need makeup. Well, like a full face of makeup, like a light to fix your brows and your lashes, a clear gloss, and you're good to go. Another thing is, I went and got my lashes done professionally one time in my life. And only once because it was an absolutely horrible experience. Normally what I would do is just, of course, put on lashes, at the end of doing a makeup look. But I haven't been able to do that because of my glasses. And today I'm going to use Falscara. If you don't know what Falscara is, it's basically, well, not basically, it's lash glue. So this side is the glue, and it has a mascara wand. So it's as easy as, putting on mascara, and then the seal. So it can last, I think, up to 10 days. Let me see. Oh, maybe it doesn't claim the 10 days anymore. But anyway, I didn't get the Falscara clusters. I have done this before. I forgot why I haven't done it again after, but whatever. So my favorite brand of lashes is Ioni Lashes. I love them, love them, love them. Get them from Dollar Tree for $1.25, and they make cluster lashes. So I got two lengths here. I've got the Wispy Natural Shorts and the Wispy Mediums. And of course, they're $1.25 each, so like, why not? And I saw a tip. I'm going to do it. It's going to look ridiculous, but it made sense. I saw a girl doing her lashes, and she took some Scotch tape. I'm going to do it, so just like... I guess this is probably what they do when they do your lashes professionally. She like just taped her eyelid up like this. Oh wait, it was actually higher than that. Ow, well that didn't feel good. See, she had it like way like that so she could do it. Let me see if I can get this right. My lashes are so little. Maybe I need to do it like this and lift. Definitely gonna make it easier. I look crazy. I should have taken the lashes out because now I just look ridiculous. So I'm going to start from the outer edge and work in. And I'm going to put the glue in small sections because if I remember correctly, it dries relatively quickly and I don't want to mess up because this is a doozy to get off. I got my lash tweezers here. I look crazy. You can see. So let me prep them by pulling them off. I think I'll probably use maybe 3 of the long and 2 of the short. I don't want they don't have to be like super full or anything. So I'm going like this. It says step 1, bonding time. Brush a light coat of bond on natural lashes. A little goes a long way. Step 2, wisp under lashes. Use applicator to pluck a wisp from the tray. Pick up a wisp from the middle and outer ends. One by one, gently place the wisp underneath the base of your lashes. So yeah, you apply it under. So I'm just gonna do out here. I just want to make sure I can see it. But I know from experience that this stuff is strong. It's definitely strong. Go in with. I always struggle with this. It's probably like simple for other people, but for me, not so much. I'm gonna go in. Oops. I feel like I did it wrong already. I probably did. Hold on. Yes, I did. See, I swear, this is now my natural lashes. This is no joke. This is why I don't do it. Look what I did. My lashes are stuck. And try again. This is why I stick with strip lashes. I don't know what it is about this. These things drive me up the wall and around the corner. I'm going to put a little bit on here also. I think I'm just going to try it with my hand instead of the, what should I call it? I think that's a safer option for me. I swear, I watch people do this and they just do it effortlessly. And I'm just like, my daughter can do this 1, 2, 3. Like, she keeps her lashes done. It takes her minutes. Oh no. I genuinely feel like I messed up already. But I'm gonna keep going. Because I feel like even if I messed up, I could fix it. So this is the third cluster of the longer one. Oops. The struggle is real. It keeps coming back off. I hate like spaces and cluster lashes. And the worst part to me is when they start to fall off. That just like grinds my gears. Oh, look at this. Oh, I'm struggling here. I'm struggling so bad. I'm definitely out of practice. But the great thing about this is like once you get it, you can layer these and it takes practice. Definitely takes practice and I am out of practice. You know what? I used to love the magnetic lashes with the magnetic liner. Favorites. Still to this day. I just put a whole lash right in my eye. Like once you know how to do it, it's easy. But this is my first time in like over a year. Why is one of the lashes up there? What is going on here? Let's get you back in place. Ugh. Don't give up. You'll see my eye doing a little twitch. If you're like, steady with your hands and used to doing cluster lashes and you've never tried Falscara, it's definitely worth a try because but if you're like me, you're gonna need some practice. But practice makes perfect, I swear. To me, it looks crazy under there, but let's see. Reveal moment. Yay! Oops. I feel like there's a space there, so I'm going to fill it in because I don't like spaces. And so the whole thing with this is you bond them under your lash line and then you put the sealant on top of it and it like locks in the bond. It used to say for like 10 days or something, but now they're not claiming that. So I think it kind of just depends on you. If you get the starter kit, it comes with a remover and all that. I didn't need that. I have the remover because your lashes will be like kind of hard. Or maybe it's just the way I did it. But it's gonna stay. And see, it looks pretty. I just like lashes versus no lashes. Give me lashes all day. And you see the white? That's the glue. It just has to dry. But like, look at that. Did I struggle? Yes. Will I do it again? Again, yes. I'm just letting this first layer dab on a thin coat of the seal under wisps. This is the final touch, eliminates any sticky residue and keeps the wisp in place. So this is the seal. And it says put it under, so I'm gonna go here. That glue doesn't adhere. I'm gonna add did I just move that one? I think I did. Slightly. I'm gonna move it back. I think I just bent this one. Or shifted it. There it goes. Fixed. See that? Just do it before it locks in. So you have a little time to lock it in. But it's definitely worth it. And the Falscara alone, just for this, the bond and seal, is $10 at Walmart. Oh, I'm getting mine. It's $10 at Walmart, but if you want the whole kit, they have with I think 3 different sizes of clusters, the remover, the lash tweezers, all of that. And I believe it's $24.99. It's definitely worth it. Because if you have a straight hand, you're not like me, you can do your lashes at home and look stunning. I feel like maybe I want to add one more long piece there. I think I am. So yeah. I'm going to do that and do this other eye, and then I'll be back. All right, I'm back. I got through this side so much faster. It really just takes practice, and I was definitely out of practice, but it's very, very worth it. Like $10, yes. I don't know how much a typical lash appointment can run. I've heard it costing stupid amounts of money, insane amounts of money. But I mean, if that's what you want to do, go ahead. Me, I like to spend my money on things that make sense to me, because that might make sense to you. So no offense. But when I got it done, I paid, I think, which should have been a red flag. It was like $50 or $55, something like that. And she actually ended up, I don't know what glue she used, but she glued it to my skin, not my lashes. And after I left, I noticed my eyes were like my eyelids were tingling a little bit. And then over the next 2 days, my eyes just got puffy, puffy. And it was really, 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 really hard to get them off and very painful. And I lost a lot of my natural lashes in the process because I tried to reach out to her, but they were closed. I think it was like a Sunday. I got it done on Friday and they were closed on that Sunday. And I wanted to get them removed and I could not. So it was hurting me so bad. I was watching videos and, oh, try olive oil, this and that. Nothing was making this glue come off. And I may have gotten fed up and just started. It was just a really bad experience. And I went back to strip lashes and didn't stray from that for a long time. Then I saw Falscara in Walmart and I'm like, you know what? Let me give it a try. So I think my first time doing it, I didn't do it right. I didn't adhere the lashes properly and seal them properly. So they didn't last very long at all. But then I did it again 2 or 3 times, maybe more after that. And I did it right. And it did last me about a week or so. So to me, that's worth it because I love to just wake up and just look better. You know, who doesn't? That's what we like to do. And, you know, throw on a little brow, a little skin tint, and fix my hair sometimes. And that's it. So here's the finished look. I encourage you to give it a try if you have not. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one.